This is just one room, Airbnb. You got everything. You don't need, you could cook. This Rastafari have hockey.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica running. Sunday bells in a distance ring. Dust on my boots, got a prayer saying. Life gets heavy.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people, as you can see, we are at the airport and crazy. We was told it's gonna be a long line because of the TSA shutdown. Yes, it is a long line. But it's not bad though. We came here so early that we couldn't even check in, which is why you saw us over there sitting down. But got wifey with me. Oh yeah, where we going? Stay tuned. Eventually. Say eventually.
I'm finally home. Mama's Bible by the window pane. Pages one from joy and pain. She told me faith ain't just what you say. It's how you love when you hurt that day. Forgive like a shower, walk it out slow. Plant good seed, let the spirit grow. When anger knocks, I answer with grace. Leave every burden at the mercy place. So I lean on grace when peace feels gone. Fall to my knees, keep hope.
Shalom, people. We're here with the missus. You see this place? You know where we are. One place, one Jamaica. Yeah, we in Jamaica, guys. Not here for long. Here to do some business that we don't do out, but y'all with us next time. I actually knew we was here. Some party. Every time I come here, I have to get some party, you know? So, yeah.
You have the skill already. You still have to go to school. They never say them sorry, they never start young like him. So they encourage him out. And the young is there. Yes.
You been here before, Jamaica? Who's that girl? What's going on? Give me some love, Kim. Give me some love. Oh my gosh, who's that pretty girl? What's up?
You was at the other house, right? Yeah.
People, JC Villas. If you're in the Montego Bay area, pull up. This is just one room, Airbnb. Nobody's not here right now. Alright? You got everything. You don't need, you could cook. JC Villas, people. We can. We still up this way. Sitting on top of the world. That got 22 rooms?
Yeah, you see one that hold inside like that?
Yeah.
Doing it by himself. That's the only time he get help. When he doing decking.
Okay.
How much money he got? Just 2.
Well, the boss have time.
So what do? He break all the rules too, you know, because he build over this part.
Yeah.
So all the house in Jamaica use cranberry juice, $1,000, and just $200 and something for it.
Alright people, we're active and you know where we at. You might hear the patois a little bit more. We're in JA, you know we go already. Prime time Lando on the land. So I just picked this car up. I'm about to go to my sister's house right now. About to go eat some food cause you know, we hungry. But yeah, we here. I gotta get my adjustment. You know, every time I come to Jamaica, I drive super slow first until I get adjusted back to the road. Cause you know we drive on the other side of the road. You know, that's what we're doing. But we in the wind, the road. Huh? Yeah, what? Let them know, said we're in the streets, active in the people. We're in the town of Lucia. I know it makes sense, but dang, bro.
Latina cook.
Yeah.
That's Rusty's high school.
Yeah, that's the DeAndre and Fabian and them high school. Andre and Kenny. We on the land, people. What's your age, right? Alright, calm down. Yeah, man. We are working up, people. We're on the land. Oh my gosh. What's up? Come on. Come on down. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, you see me now. What up, dude? Come on. Come this way. Country life, people. Country. Go where someone. Nobody go over there, son.
He got crash over me.
Look. Look. Look at the camera. What's up, people? We're in Lucy, we're Esho. I know about to be exact. Alright?
Now follow me.
What, that? The drone?
Now follow me. It got crash over there.
No. Put your hand up like this. Put your hand up. See that? Open your hand again. Open it now. Go like that.
You have to go just mute this. You can't video just mute it out and you do a voice over.
Hello, miss. Wake up, man.
Jamaica.
Alright, me have the camera on here, so look, at least look like say you work. At least look like you work. It's on a your work, it's on the kitchen this. Yeah. That's on the kitchen. Yeah. No, that's the alright, people. I came by my sister's house. They're supposed to be cooking some food, but the food ain't even started yet. It's 3 o'clock and we hungry. Here go the chef right here.
Outside.
Well, I don't know.
This I did just kind of pop up on me.
I know. I don't know.
Yes, solid. I have to get that step out of the way.
That's fine.
We're not,
Why think you're supposed to
we're
check
taking
in
away.
at 3?
Yeah, we're not taking away one.
You can check in.
People, this is the chef. This is the guy that told us he's gonna cook and he ain't cook.
Soon cook, man. I bill house.
So yeah, we're gonna check in and grab some food.
So you come back. You know, come back, man. You go sleep.
If not tomorrow.
Come back, man.
Me saying you now come back. Lando might come back.
I'm gonna try my best, but I need to sleep and eat something and get it off my system.
You don't eat and then come sleep, man. Just bed delay, man. You don't sleep, man.
Alright.
You just eat and then you come sleep, man.
Yeah. Alright, I tell you, I make sure these tires good. Let me look at them right now.
Good, man.
People. Chef Adrian, let me see if the light better there. Chef Adrian, we hungry. So we about to go to the hotel and check in. We staying at the hotel for a few nights. I'm definitely going country. Y'all going just stay tuned in these episodes, cause y'all gonna see my side of town. This is my sister's side of town. That's her husband, her fiance. We down here for a wedding. Oh, I didn't even tell you that. I'm really here for their wedding. Now I smell like smoke. Oh. Okay, my hair don't smell like smoke. The other day I did some barbecue. My whole hair will smell like smoke. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let me show y'all the view though. Coming from her house. Hold on. Look at that. That's the ocean over there, y'all seeing. That's the ocean. This the part by Jamaica
that big old pothole.
that pissed me off. Look at this road. Now, I'm not gonna lie. The road didn't look like this the other day I was out here, so I'm guessing this is from the hurricane. It was Mall Road, yes, but yeah. See, look rough. That's the ocean you're looking at. You see, I was on the wrong side of the road. Y'all wasn't even gonna tell me. Y'all see the ocean over there? If you're from the town, you know Rusty's down there, so yeah. Yes, people, we headed to the hotel. We got a hotel in the grill. Yeah. We're going to the grill right now. Everybody go find something to eat. We might find something to eat before. You know what? Oh, the hotel got a restaurant, Shamika. So
Yeah.
we probably just gonna eat at the restaurant at the hotel. Oh, look over there. Show them the ocean. Look at that water. See, rough right now. Hanover, you know. People, I'm going to put Hanover on the map. Remember I told you. Hanover, we're there, you know. Hanover is the best parish in Jamaica.
You ain't got no sunroof.
I'm putting y'all on. Let y'all know now. All right, people, we are here. We're in the grill, Westmoreland. All right, we're at the hotel. We're about to go check in right now. Pretty nice hotel. We come back after we check in. We here though. Wifey back there, you see her. Is that for the guests or the gym membership?
Once you're a guest, you're free to use the gym.
Oh, or if you live.
Oh, that outside out there.
Well, that makes sense. All right, people. If you come to Travelers, we're going to do a full review on Travelers. But we're checking in, you get a complimentary drink. You can get Virgin, or you can get the other one. What room is it?
31.
Where is that?
Mauritius gonna be.
Okay. Yes, boss. Whoa. Right now. Arisha.
Yeah, man.
All right, big up Arish. How long you been working here?
12 years.
12 years?
12 years and still counting.
What? That means y'all feel like the place, man.
Yeah, man. Nice place.
Okay.
Nothing good about it, you know.
All
Nice restaurant, pool, beach, gym, family room.
Everything.
Alright, so your room is not that far. Room is right here.
Okay.
Alright, so restaurant and bar. Just follow the walkway, go straight down.
Okay.
Pool is at the front. Beach is at the back. On the left, we have a gym. We have a dive shop, and we also got a
So, Miss Chambers, where are we?
At Travelers Hotel.
Okay, show me around then. The viewers want to see what you got going on.
This is the patio with some nice, lovely seats.
Okay.
This is the inside, the TV, the coffee pot, a little desk where you can sit down, the TV, outside window.
My,
You want to look outside and view.
okay.
Here's our bed, nice and comfy. There's a remote. We got a nice little safe and stuff to put our stuff up, like we want waters and stuff like that, or little snacks, or anything we want to put up. And then this is the bathroom, you guys.
El
Nice
baño.
little shower. It's nice and clean. It's nice and cute and small, just enough space.
Just enough. And guess what, people? Oh, my bad. Hold on.
Nice sliding door.
They might think we paid some money on it, because look, people, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something. The beach is literally right down there.
You want to go walk outside?
Yeah, come on. Hold on, you got the key?
I have a key.
All right, let's go. Door locked? All right, people. The beach is literally right there. It's very inexpensive, but it's beautiful. I love it. And guess what? We're in spring break, so this is not even the cheapest time of the year. I'm gonna do a full video on this hotel. I'm gonna put y'all on. I'm gonna put y'all on.
We actually got a complimentary
I'll put
rum drink.
You're fucking head down.
Rum punch.
I'm gonna put y'all on my spots. Because I'm somewhat of a local, I don't have to go to touristy spots. I know where the spots that look just as good as the tourist spots,
Oh, we can play pickleball. A table. What is
but
it? Table ball?
inexpensive.
You can rent a cabana for $80.
80 US dollars? You must be mad.
You want to play the
Yep. Yeah.
I don't know what it's going to be like tomorrow.
All right, people. We hungry. We ain't really eat nothing, as y'all can see. About to go eat some food right now. And you know they're playing music, so we gotta cut it off for the copyright hit. Let me show y'all what's going on. See, kind of rough right now. People, we hungry.
Which one you want?
fish sandwich or the fish one.
They got tuna, Lando, or they got the fish burger.
What?
Fish burger mean like a fried fish with lettuce and tomato? Yeah.
Alright. What she,
We
whatever,
only got like 7 minutes.
whatever she said.
Then say you want the rasta pasta.
Yeah. Okay, so the vegan. Okay. Alright, we'll go with that.
And with the chicken burger, like fries, onions, coleslaw, green salad, rice and peas.
What's your name?
Over.
Ovel.
Yeah.
People, big up Ovel. Alright, people, look, check this out. I went to go take all the bags out the room, out the car to bring in the room. My wife started eating without me. I just got my food. This is Rasta pasta. We also have Rasta pasta here, right? We got all about the tits. We bless my food. Father God, thank you for the food praise the food. Bless me, use my life, and I sure. Amen. report to my wife, this is just a snack. We'll come back for dinner. Whoa, hold on there. This Rastafari have hockey. What is this? Is it spinach? I didn't taste it yet. Squash. Okay, let's see what we're doing with it. That's not spinach, that's callaloo. There's something about Jamaica, man.
They said it was callaloo.
Oh, they did? Well, this food right here, you can taste the authentic Jamaican touch.
Yeah, put this on there.
How you know I want it on my food? Jamaica not using some funny food.
Why they gave it to
alright,
you?
I should know. The Rasta pasta, callaloo, aki, squash, bell pepper, and it definitely have the Jamaican taste to it. Come on, man. Y'all stop playing. Come check out Travelers in Jamaica. It's very nice over here. I love how we look, man. And it's inexpensive. It's not expensive. See, most of y'all gonna go to the big brand because that's what y'all know. But when you're local, you will find it. All right, it's good. Let me taste that fish. Woo! The cheese did give it a kick. Woo! Alright. Only thing I would add to it a little bit more spice. This for me?
It's spicy.
That's spicy to me? The flavor is definitely there. It tastes authentic Jamaican food. It tastes like it. I would add a little bit more spice. But that's just me. That's my preference. Now we got the fish sandwich. Okay, we'll add it in there. You just want the fish?
Yeah.
Hey. All right, the fish sandwich. I thought it was chicken. It give a taste of like, well, you know when Jamaican cook, food's gonna be good. This thing good, y'all. This is one bite. Oh my gosh.
You want more tartar sauce?
No, this is good enough. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Nothing like some good Jamaican food. This is for me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're sharing food. This is good. Y'all come here. What is it? The fish sandwich. This fish sandwich. That's the American part. And Jamaican part says, get the fish sandwich, man. Sandwich.
Oh, you gotta order another drink.
America say get a fish sandwich. This thing is good, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all not about to be on my vacation the whole time. I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm not bringing y'all everywhere. My wife and I about to enjoy each other, relax, eat some food, chill on the beach. Probably go to the grocery store. But for the first day, pretty exciting day. My sister was supposed to cook, she didn't cook. Latina, Adrian, SMH. Food good, man. Thank y'all for watching. We're gonna end it right here. Look out for the next video, because we're gonna vlog every day, but y'all ain't gonna vlog. I'm not gonna show y'all every minute. You know what? Because I like y'all, I'm gonna do a vlog just on this hotel itself. Let y'all see, check it out. Get y'all some prices, man. Check it out. Then again, people, make sure you like, subscribe. It's your boy Lando. I'm out. This is good.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running. Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold.